Hey, what's going on, people? It's your good Crypto Gems, and today we'll talk about altcoins. We'll look at different altcoins and analyze their tokenomics. Check out the links in the description box. However, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Let's get into it. So now, these are the top cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap, and these are ranked wise. So as we know, Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency in the world right now, and after that we have all these altcoins. Those are also very good investment, and they can also give you a large amount of profits. So let's look at them one by one, what they are, their tokenomics, and etc. So we know Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world. It's priced at around $2,500. The market cap is around $305 billion, and 24-hour average volume is $25 billion, and the circulating supply right now is 119 million. So what exactly is Ethereum? Let's take a brief overview of that. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain system that features its own cryptocurrency, Ether. Ethereum works as a platform for numerous other cryptocurrencies as well as execution of decentralized smart contracts. So this was an overview of Ethereum. Now let's move on to the second cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at XRP. All right. So XRP is ranked 6th in the world right now, and it's priced at around $0.67. The market cap is $32 billion, and fully diluted market cap is $68 billion. Volume, average 24-hour volume is $4 billion, and the circulating supply right now is 47.95 billion XRP. And this supply is capped, so the max XRP supply is only 100 billion XRP. And what is XRP? So it's important to understand the difference between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a currency that runs on a digital payment platform called RippleNet, which is on top of a distributed ledger database called XRP Ledger. While RippleNet is run by a company called Ripple, the XRP Ledger is an open source and is not based on blockchain, but rather the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. Next, let's take a look at Cardano, which is also known as ADA, and it's priced at around $0.83. It's ranked 7 right now on CoinMarketCap, and the market cap right now for Cardano is $27.9 billion. Fully diluted market cap is $37.4 billion. Average volume for 24 hours is $3.3 billion, and the circulating supply right now is 33.6 billion Cardano. This is also a capped cryptocurrency, and max supply is only 45 billion Cardano. What is Cardano? Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about a positive global change. Let's move on to the next one. This is Solana. It's ranked 8 right now on CoinMarketCap. Price is around $87, and market cap is $27.8 billion. Fully diluted market cap is $44.6 billion. Average volume for 24 hours is $4.7 billion. Circulating supply is 309 million, actually, Solana. And this is not a capped supply. They can make as many Solana as they want. And what is Solana? Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology's permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solutions. While the idea and initial work on the project began in 2017, Solana was officially launched in March of 2020 by the Solana Foundation with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. You can also analyze altcoins based on categories. So as you see here on coinmarketcap.com, you have different categories: DeFi, NFT, Metaverse, Polkadot. Let's look at the top 3 one by one and look at their top altcoins. So DeFi first, we're gonna look at Terra. So Terra is priced at around $62.21 and it's ranked at top 9 in the cryptocurrency. Market cap is $23.8 billion. Fully diluted market cap is $49.5 billion. 24-hour average volume is $5.5 billion and circulating supply right now is 382 million Luna. So this is also uncapped. They don't have max supply. They can make as many as they want. And what is Terra? So Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payment systems. According to its white paper, Terra combines the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies with the censorship of resistance of Bitcoin and offers fast and affordable settlements. Next is Avalanche. So this is ranked 11 in the top cryptocurrencies. It's priced at around $74.76. Market cap is $18 billion. Fully diluted market cap is $29.5 billion. 24-hour average volume is $2.8 billion and circulating supply is 245 million AVAX. And this is also not capped. You can print as many as they want. And right now, let's take a look at what Avalanche is. Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of the Ethereum's rivals, aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. Now let's take a look at NFT altcoins. So NFT altcoins top 2 are Decentraland or Mana and Sandbox or SAND. So first let's take a look at Decentraland. Decentraland is priced at around $2.54. It's ranked at 30 in the top cryptocurrencies. Market cap is $4.6 billion. Fully diluted market cap is $5.5 billion. Volume is right now for 24-hour average is $1.5 billion. Circulating supply is 1.83 billion mana. This is also not capped and they can make as many as they want. So Mana or Decentraland defines itself as a virtual reality platform powered by Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, experience, and monetize content and applications. In this virtual world, users can purchase plots of land that they can later navigate, build upon, and monetize. Now, let's move on to next one. We have Sandbox. Sandbox is priced at around $2.92, ranked 37, market cap $3.2 billion, fully diluted market cap $8.8 billion, volume is $1.5 billion, circulating supply is 1.09 billion sand. Max supply is only 3 billion, so this is capped, and as we know, the supply is limited, and when the demand increases, the price of the cryptocurrency also increases. What is Sandbox? Launched in 2011 by Pixel, the Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in form of a game. By combining the powers of decentralized autonomous organization, also known as DAO nowadays, and non-fungible token, the Sandbox creates a decentralized platform for thriving gaming community. Next, let's move on to Metaverse. So in Metaverse Altcoins, we already looked at Decentraland and Sandbox. Let's take a look at Axie Infinity. This is ranked 41 in top cryptocurrencies. It's priced at around $46.6 and market cap is $2.8 billion. Fully diluted market cap is $12.6 billion. Volume 24-hour average is $571 million. Circulating supply is 60 billion Axie Infinity and max supply is 270 million. So this is capped and supply is limited. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading and battling game that is partially owned by and operated by its players. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Axie Infinity. You can go to CoinMarketCap and click on this link to understand deeper about XI Infinity. So that is it for now. Today we learned about altcoins and saw some tokenomics of different altcoins. Please check out the links in the description box. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for being here. Take care.